Do you wish that there was a way that you could look at your camera and your notes at the same time without having to stop to look at your script or break eye contact? Or maybe you're just tired and ready to get rid of that clunky ass teleprompter technology from the 90s and get into the future with AI. Say yes!
The future's here, motherfucker.
Now you can just put on your AI contact lenses. In this video, I'll introduce you to the coolest AI tool that will make the shooting of your content 100 times faster. I'm gonna use it for the first time here in this video with you, and I can't wait to see how accurate and realistic it is. Hello and welcome to the Pod Sound School. This is a creator hub for creative professionals and online entrepreneurs to learn about content marketing, the latest content marketing tools, and how to make content efficiently. If this is you, hit the subscribe button. Also, visit our website, podsoundschool.com, to get the inside scoop on the different coaching programs and trainings we have to offer. Making video content can be tedious. You have to memorize your script, have multiple takes, or make constant adjustments to your teleprompter so you don't look like you're reading. That's why when I learned about the new Descript feature, eye contact, I had to try it. With this feature, even if you're sneaking a peek at your script, screen, or slides, it will look like you're gazing right into the camera. The eye contact feature gives your videos that straight to camera look, even if you're checking out something else off camera. What? Now you can just read from your script or notes without sweating about remembering every single word or doing take after take. Less time recording and no more editing those annoying mistakes. Amazing, right? It almost sounds too good to be true. But let's open up the script and put the feature under the microscope, and you'll be the judge. All you have to do is click on New Video Project. Here you can drag in any video files you may have, or you can record directly into the script by clicking on Start Recording. I'm going to move my camera preview where I want it, and then I simply click Record into Script. Now I just perform my script. After we're done recording, all we have to do is click on this plus button next to Effects and choose Eye Contact. Check out this before and after my recording. I'm so freaking excited for you. YouTube has been... It's really cool, but my eyes are glitching out. So let's try that again, but with a different setup. Maybe my eyes were looking too far off camera. This time I'm going to use my Sony camera and place my phone as close to the lens as I can. That have come to our door because of our... Let's click the plus button again and choose eye contact. Let's see how this one turns out. I am so freaking excited for you. YouTube has been the number one. It's better, but still a little glitchy. This feature is in beta, so it will absolutely be undergoing improvements, and the more people that try it, the better the technology will get. So go try it yourself. Okay, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, you can try this feature for free if you go to podsoundschool.com/Descript. This isn't the only crazy AI tool inside this script. There's a tool where you can create a clone of your own voice, and it's called Overdub. And in this video here, Studio Steve and I both cloned our voices, and our clones talk to each other. We teach you how to do it so you can do it too. Check it out.